Hey, what's going on? What's going on? Family Glide and Bear here. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Hope all is well with you. Hope you're having a great day. For me, it's a great day. It is pickup day. Pickup day. If you guys been watching my videos, you know that I had a cracked engine case on my 147 motorcycle built by, as you can see, All American in the back, All American. We here, man, having a good day, just hanging out, fellowshipping with the guys. These beautiful motorcycles coming in the shop. And I'm just super excited, man. Just get the bike dialed in, get some more ideas, what I'm gonna do for the bike. You know, it never stops. It never stops. But we're just gonna see what happens, man. I got another Raven Phase CVO just like mine. Okay, we got some work done. And man, it's just a beautiful bike, man. It's a beautiful bike. I can't tell you, but look at that seat. Yeah. But anyway, hang out with me for a little bit. We're gonna see if we're gonna make it do what it do. And as you can see, I'm smiling from ear to ear, man. I'm getting my baby back. So stay tuned.
Hey, I'm about to go level up. I cannot settle for nothing. I never been regular. Always knew I could do better. I finally made it this far and I'm not looking back. Later to see all the time that I put in. Now me and the money are way too attached. Still repping 919. The city is mine and I put it all on the map. Coming for what I deserve. I put in the work. Now I'm about to level up.
I'm at the all famous, world famous AAC, and I know you guys know that bike did. I just so happen to be so lucky. I'm picking up my bike today, guys. You know what I went through with a crack case, and look where I ran into. My man.
What's up, my good people?
2147 in the house. There he is.
Yep.
We were talking briefly about what we're getting done to this monster of a bike, man. Beautiful bike, one of the best in the country. What you plan on doing to it now, man?
We're gonna have some fun with it. We're gonna put it to use. We're gonna use the All-American, magic that they do, voodoo and stuff, and we're gonna get it to some racing, but very amateur, very little. But we're gonna get there. We're gonna get faster by every pass. But all in all, just live and have fun.
Look at that smile, everybody. Look at that smile. Yeah,
that's all we're gonna do.
It's gonna be awesome, man. Hey, just coming here, just looking how they put these things together every day in and day out, just building monsters. Great motorcycles, great for torque, man. And we just stay tuned. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. All right, Glide and Bear, out. 2147 crew, man, he's a real one. He's in here getting this motorcycle right, preparing for that next level to racing. But let me tell you something, if you know him, it's bigger than the bike. He's a military veteran, calm, steady, the kind of man that shows up and pours into others without hesitation. Hey, when I was first getting started with a YouTube channel, it was him. He gave me real advice. No ego, no noise. That's what the culture is all about. I salute you, brother. Another beauty just came into the shop. Over here at All American Cycle. She looks good, man. She sounds like a pure beast too, let me tell you. See the Hoffman gas cap? Sounds like a llama. You can tell a lot about a shop just by the bikes that come through. But you learn even more about that shop by looking how they treat those bikes when nobody's watching. Not when the camera's on, not when it's time to hand over the keys, but right here in the quiet work. And when it's the owner, the builder himself, George, putting his hands on those bikes, it tells you everything you need to know. George, what are you doing right now, bro?
Taking care of my customers.
You take care of your customers?
I'm doing, bro.
You building motors and watching the bike?
I fixed this bike. He's not gonna pick it up all dirty.
Nah, you can't.
I'm not gonna detail it, but it's gotta look presentable.
That's what I'm talking about, guys. Customer service, AAC.
Not for him.
Have you ever seen George doing this?
No. I've never seen him do it on my bike.
Okay.
I've never seen him do it on my bike, and I'm here every day.
This is the type of service you can
Gotta
expect.
pay my rent every month.
This is the type of service you can expect when you bring your bike AAC, man. Wow, the man himself, the legend, wiping the bike down. Least I can do is wash the soap off for him, huh? Yeah, let me do that. First class, George. First class.
That's it.
Dog, what's your name? Where you from?
Yeah, I'm Bobby. I'm Stan. I live in Plantation now, but originally from Baltimore.
Tell us what you did. You guys, you know this bike. You guys know the color of this bike. Tell us what you did for All American Cycle, man. What'd you get done?
Oh, listen, man. I did a little bit I changed my exhaust out. Took out the 121, put in the 135.
What's that, the Chrome Works?
Yeah, it's Chrome Works.
135?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I did the All American air cleaner.
You guys already know. There it is. How she run? How she run?
Runs beautiful.
Run beautiful. You happy? All day, 100%. She keep her clean too, man. It got me mad. My baby 30 right now. She's
Hey,
clean.
Listen, we're gonna have to do a Raven fade clip.
Already, bro. All right, family, man. Went ahead. I got my baby back, and she's good. She's righteous. She's ready to go. She's looking real good, man. And I'll tell you what, she's on point. So I'm excited. She's dirty. She's nasty. I'm about to give her a quick wash right now. I'm back. She's back, baby. Man, hey, listen, man. Got the bike back. There she is. Sitting there looking pretty. And I'm about to take on a ride, man. The first ride going home. And so I'm just gonna take you guys on this ride with me so you can see how she's riding. But yeah, riding bed. We're gonna start doing some more riding on this channel too. Thing was a nice Friday afternoon, kind of cool a little bit, maybe like 72. It's absolutely perfect. So ride with me, man. Hope you enjoy it.
Man, this right here, this feeling, this is something you can't fake, people. After everything, the setbacks, the questions, the long conversations, even the moment realizing that my case was cracked. A lot of people don't see this part. They just see the finished bike, the finished product. But man, it takes patience to get here. The moments when, it didn't make sense, when I was questioning everything, man, it sat back and made me think about Romans 8:28. And we know that in all things, God works for the good of those that love him. Because looking back now, every issue, every delay, every setback, it wasn't just frustration, it was direction. Man, it put me back in the right hands. It slowed me down when I needed to take a pause and made sure that the bike was built and got done the right way this time, man. And now look at her. She's running strong. She's so smooth. The bike is solid. And more than anything else, I got confidence in her again, man. And I got to say this. Shout out to George, man. He didn't have to reach out. He didn't have to step in, but he did. That's the difference. That's integrity at work, pride in his work, standing behind what he built. All American Cycle, nothing but respect. I salute you. And now the bike is back where it's supposed to be, moving forward, no hesitation. And I'm going to put some miles on. I got some big plans. I'm going to put some miles on this bike, but I got to make a quick stop. I got somebody pulling up I want you to meet for the first time.
What's up, Glide and Bear family? Glide and Bear, what's happening? Hey, man. We're gonna make a cameo appearance today. So I'm out on Dolly. We're gonna take a nice little quick ride. We're gonna head on down to someone's favorite place to go to when we just hanging out. Got nothing else to do. But I got Mama Bear with me tonight, y'all. Got Mama Bear. Say what's up to the family. Mama Bear, check her out. Check her out. She doing some things. She went ahead and did a little customization to it. What's the name of your bike again?
Black Barbie.
Black Barbie. That's what she said, Black Barbie. But we're gonna get some gas. I'm gonna take y'all with us on the road a little bit as we head down. Where we going again? Pompano. What's the name of the place we going to?
Harris.
Harris. Just want you to check out Barbie. We hadn't had her featured in the show yet, but we just check her out. Let me tell y'all a quick story about this one, man. She went to the motorcycle class Memorial Day last year. Not even a year yet. And she done been to Tallahassee and Atlanta from South Florida on the bike, y'all. We did that thing, didn't we? Yes, we did. So that's all, y'all. We're taking a quick ride, and hopefully I can win me a couple dollars from this, help pay this sucker off. If you see the previous video, man, that's that gas cap. That's that gas cap from Curly's, right? I like it, man. She looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and get the bolts blacked out to match a little bit. We'll get that squared away. Anyway, stay tuned. Take you a trip to Harris. Watch us win some money.
So yeah, after me and Mama Bear had a nice little dinner, we decided just to go hang out for a few. It's something that she likes to do. I'm not a big gambler, but I do like to go and just hang out with her and have fun, man. But on the ride down, I was just thinking back on this journey on the bike, man. What a journey, from the setbacks to the lessons learned, to finally get back on the road the right way. You know, for me, this just wasn't about fixing the bike, family. This was about patience. What an incredible test of patience, trust, and having the right people in your corner when it mattered most. Again, I gotta give salutes to George and his team at All American Cycle. Nothing but respect for those guys. They do a phenomenal job. If you ever need your bike worked on, tell them Glide and Bear sent you. To all those people who poured into me along the way, the friends that I've made along the way in the industry, I don't take it lightly. Your friendship, I appreciate it. To everybody watching, just know when you're going through anything, it may not make sense in the moment, but stay the course. There's purpose in it. Because when it all comes together, you'll understand why it happened the way it did. So listen, family, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy the content in this channel, like, share, drop a comment, but most importantly, subscribe to be notified when the next video drop. And remember, we never stop building, we never stop learning, and we never stop gliding to push limits. Don't drink and ride, stay 2 wheels down, and don't forget to get out and get your wind therapy, y'all. Glide and Bear, out.